We reviewed this product last week, which is called the 3D String Art with Lights. And I'm super excited for this product because it's so super cool, because it does come, here's the back of it. It comes with an LED light with an iron wire, a jar of grippy glue, inflatable balloon, metallic twist ties, plastic inflation straw, and a disposable PV glove. So basically, this one comes in a heart or a star, and it's ages 8 and up. And of course, that is all the accessories you get that comes in the kit right there. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. Last week, we were able to go ahead and inflate a moon. So these are all the accessories minus the gloves because we used it. So here's a good example. Oh yeah, this is the one we used. So what you're gonna do is instructions are there for you, and it tells you how to go ahead and put it together. So you're gonna get 50 milliliters of glue with 20 milliliters of water. Then you're gonna go ahead in the jar, put the strings in there and dilute it as much as you can. With your little balloon that's right here, you're gonna go ahead and put the straw right in the red part. You're gonna blow it up. It's going to be a nice balloon. And then what you basically do is you take the string, just like paper mache, and then you wrap it around the balloon. And then of course you have to wait for it to dry. And here is the fun part. So we reviewed this product last week, and now we finally have it dried up and ready to go. So your final product should look like this. How amazing and cool is this? So we have our lights. You do need to have AA batteries that are not included, so make sure you do have AA batteries available. Test the lights to make sure that they're working. They are. What you're going to go ahead and do is we are going to go ahead and put the lights on here before we deflate the balloon. So you're going to undo it. Beautiful. And this is really fun to do because, of course, as I mentioned, if you have kids and they like doing all this DIY stuff, this would be so cute because you can get a string and you can literally tie it up somewhere in their room and let them be proud of the arts and crafts design that they were able to do. So you're going to go ahead and take the string with the lights, go ahead and wrap it around your masterpiece there. Doesn't matter, doesn't have to be perfect. You can do it the way that you want to do it. Okay. There we go. And then, do you have scissors, Yang? Lovely. Thank you so much. Of course, with adult supervision, what you're going to go ahead and do is now you're going to go ahead and pop that balloon and get all of the air to come out of there. So pop the balloon, pop it out. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. And then you're going to go ahead and take the balloon out, just like paper mache. Oh, this is so cool. Now that the balloon is out, you have a nice moon design. Look at how cute that is. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and then you can hang that up. We're going to just go ahead and turn off the lights so that you guys can see exactly how cute that is. That is our little moon. It took us about a full week to go ahead and do this moon. Look at how cute this is. I love it. Isn't that so cute? And as I mentioned, you can go ahead and get some strings, tie it up, and then you can go ahead and place that in your child's room. And they can be proud on having a cute, nice design. Look at how cool this is. This is a moon. The battery pack is just not long enough. you could do it like this. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, guys, that is our 3D string art with lights. And of course, it's for ages 8 and up. It comes in 2 pieces. So this is the original box. This one came in as a moon or a star right there. And then, of course, you get a star or a heart. I absolutely love these. These are $18.99. And, of course, it's a complete craft kit. As I mentioned, all of the stuff that comes with it. It's a great gift for basically ages 8 and up. Obviously, any age could do it if you have little ones, ages 3, 4. Of course, adult supervision. But this is something cute to do that you don't have to actually go out. Excuse me, you don't actually have to go out and get art supplies. You can just have this ready for you guys in a box to do arts and crafts. So if you guys are interested in these 3D string arts, please take a look on our Amazon storefront page and use our discount code Dealstories so that you can go ahead and get discounts on these amazing products, because Christmas is this Sunday and you definitely do not want to miss out.